This is the test revisions or test corrections for the integers test 2. The problems that I will be reworking are number 20 and number 25. So for number 20, the problem was, what number must you end up multiplying by your variable in order to get it by itself in multiplication and division equations? I put the same number in an example because in division equations you always multiply by the same number on the bottom, but you always have to multiply it by 1. So the answer would be a reciprocal. And an example and a proportion to show how it would go would be x divided by 4 equals 8. So I would times by 4 and times by 4. But then I would put it over 1 to make it a reciprocal. So if I cross multiply, that equals that, and that equals 1x. So that's my answer, reciprocal. So the next problem we're going to solve is 25. The problem was, Allie owes her parents $43. Last month, she owed them 3 times as much. Use negative integers to show how much Allie owed her parents last month. So I did 43 times 3 to get negative 129, But you would really do negative 43 times 3, which would equal negative 129. But why would I do that? Well, if we go back and highlight stuff, Allie owes her parents $43. And last month she owed them 3 times as much. And if we're supposed to use negative integers to show how much Allie owed her parents, then we have to make the 43 a negative. Why would you make the 43 a negative though? Well, number 1, because it says that she owed it, and that means that she's not taking money out of the bank. Or she's taking money out of the bank or out of her money. She's not putting it in. Putting it in would be positive, taking it out would be negative. The second reason would be because it's in the problem, and we were supposed to use negative integers. So my final answer for 25 would be, Allie owed her parents $129. Oops, forgot the negative. Negative $129 last month. Okay, so our final answer would be negative 129, because negative 43 times 3 equals 129. Thank you for watching.